Hey Backstock Racers! If you're like me and you're counting down the days until the first leg of Philippine Cup 2025 Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive organized by the Brickyard on March 1st, then this video is for you. Today, I prepared 7 things that you should know to make sure you're fully prepared to enjoy the race and avoid any disqualifications. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a first-time participant, I got you covered, so you can focus on the fun and the speed. So grab a pen and paper or just keep watching. Let's get your race day ready. Number 1. You must register online until Feb 27. Now walk-ins are not allowed. So I repeat guys, walk-ins are not allowed. Now there's a fee of 400 pesos per racer and it's a maximum of 2 Backstock cars per racer. Number 2. Your entry must be a complete build of a single mini 4-wheel drive kit only. You cannot mix and match any part with other kits. So for example, you have this Fiesta June and then you have this Aero Avante. Now, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung parts nito papunta sa Aero Avante. Let's say, I want to use tong white roller para match din sa white cowl ni Avante. So, hindi siya pwede, right? As is, kung ano yung kasama sa kit, yun lang yung ilalagay natin, okay? Number 3, only Tamiya Type 130 motor is allowed, white cap. So, kung ano lang po yung kasama na motor sa kit, yun lang pwede natin gamitin. You cannot use yung other motor na may ibang kulay na cap. So, only the white cap. Now, there are 2 motors na makita nyo nakasama sa kit, the SMC and the Mabuchi. SMC is this one, yung medyo transparent ng konti na white, okay, that's SMC. And then Mabuchi is yung may solid color na white. So these are the motors na pwede nyo lang gamitin, which is legit na ito yung makita nyo na kasama sa kit. Sometimes, kung swerte kayo, Mabuchi makakuha nyo ng motor sa kit. Okay? And I would suggest na i-break in nyo na yung mga motor nyo. So, I would be expecting na not most, but mukhang lahat ng players there will be prepared and naka-break in na lahat ng mga stock motors nila. Okay? So, I would suggest i-break in nyo na rin yung mga motor nyo. Alright? Number 4. Starter kits and Evo kits are not allowed to be used under any circumstances. So, hindi natin pwede gamitin yung mga starter pack, which is yung Rowdy Bull na FMA, yung Blast Arrow for the MA, and then the Aero Avante for the AR. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung mga kit na yun. Okay? Also, the Evo kits, so hindi rin siya pwedeng gamitin. Okay? Number 5. Kits with tuned motors, example given, animal kits, will be allowed, but motors should be replaced by Type 130 motor. So, meron kasi tayong mga kits na may mga animal characters. Pwede natin siyang gamitin. Example, yung Brown Racer, yung mukhang pickup na FMA. Meron siyang kasama na Torque Tune 2 motor. Okay? Pwede nyo gamitin yung kit, pwede nyo buuin nyo, i-race nyo yung kit, pero need nyo lang palitan yung motor ng stock motor, SMC or Mabuchi, kahit ano sa dalawa, then goods na yan. Okay? Number 6, kits must be built as per instructions. So kung ano lang po yung kasama dun sa, kung ano po yung nasa manual and kung ano lang yung parts na kasama dun sa box, yun lang po yung ikakabit natin. Okay? Medyo strict si Brickyard pagdating sa mga hindi naman dapat ilagay pero nilalagay ng mga racers. I'll give you one example. Sa rollers, like this one, meron yan washer sa ilalim. Okay? Ang washer na kasama nito per manual is yung malaking washer. Hindi ko sure bakit may ibang racers na pinapalitan nila yung washer ng copy or sometimes yung mas maliit na washer. Hindi ko sure kung anong tawag, pero yung mukhang spring washer yung mas maliit. Okay? Or sometimes hindi nila nilalagyan at all. Okay? So please, kung ano yan sa manual, yun lang po yung gawin natin. Okay? Then, skid bar, may mga nakita ako na iba na hindi nila kinakabit ang skid bar. Or sometimes, nalagyan nila ng washer yung sa loob. So, bawal din yon. Okay? Now, as in, kung ano lang po yung nasa manual, sundin na po natin siya. Then also, isa pa nakita ko is naglalagay sila ng Tamiya tape sa cowl. So, please, hindi rin po ini-indicate sa manual na pwede nyo lagyan o may kasamang tape na Tamiya tape. Kasi iba kasi is umaangat yung cowl kaya nilalagyan ng Tamiya tape. So, hindi po pwede. Sa B-Max pwede po yon. Pero for box stock, hindi po siya pwede. Okay? Number 7. Polycarbonate clear cowls can be painted. Other cowls are not allowed to be painted. So, meron tayong mga kits kasi na clear yung polycarbonate. Examples, yung X-Floaty, and then meron din yung Hurricane Sonic. So, clear yung cowl nun. So, pwede siyang spray ng Pilox. Kasi gusto nyo ibang color. Lahat pure, ibahin yung color ng cowl. So, pink or red or blue. Pwede siya. Basta as long as yung cowl na kasama niya is yung clear. Hindi yung mga may design. Like this one. Festa June, carbon printed na siya. Ito hindi niya siya pwedeng galawin. Hindi siya pwedeng print. Plain body or cowl are not allowed. Stickers must be applied. So, pag ang cowl, let's say this one is color white ang base color nito. So, kailangan niyo po siyang lagyan ng sticker. Hindi niyo siya pwedeng iwan na nakukubad. Let's say, gusto ko lang all white lang to para pogi tignan. So, hindi po pwede yun. Okay? So, kung ano po yung kasama na stickers dun sa box, idikit niyo po siya. Okay? Para dito kayo ma-disqualify. Next, the racer name must be affixed at the bottom of the car. Sa kit po natin, dun sa decals na part, meron pong ganito. Okay? Racer name. So, sticker siya na white na may pagka-rectangle. So, kailangan nyo po siyang ikabit and then, kailangan nyo pong lagyan ng pangalan nyo. Okay? Number 10. Tune-up parts or upgrade parts cannot be used. So, bawal po natin i-upgrade yung mga backstock natin. Bawal yung lagyan ng FRP or papalitan nyo yung rollers ng double plastic rollers or kung ano man na i-upgrade nyo. So, bawal po yan. As is, box stock, kung ano yung nasa box, purely stock po siya. Okay? Next. Number 11. Using of double adhesive tape for the wheels are prohibited. Okay. Meron kasi ibang racers na ginagawa, nilalagyan ng double-sided tape yung ribs. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, ginagawa kasi ng ibang racers, especially for B-Max. Ito, nilalagyan nila dinidikitan nila yan ng double adhesive tape para hindi kumalas yung gulong o yung tires. Kasi katagalan, kapag papalit-palit kayo ng gulong, is lumuluwag to or nawawala ng dikit. So, ginagawa nila is nalagyan ng double-sided tape. For backstock, bawal po yon. Okay? No need na maglagay ng double-sided tape since bago naman lahat yan, first time yung gagamitin, bawal nyo pong nilagyan. Okay? Mahuhuli po kayo ng mga marshal kapag sinubukan nyo siya. Kasi, tendency nito, kapag nilagay nyo yung tape yan, at yung rims, nilagay nyo yung tape, and then pinasok nyo yung gulong, meron nalabas na excess na tape dito yan sa gilid, sa edge. Kasi before ginagawa ko yan sa B-Max, nagkakaroon siya ng makita mo, meron siyang tape na lalabas siya. Either dito or dito. So, makikita po yan. Okay? So, wag nyo na pong tangkayin. Okay, next. Bending of screws, reinforcement of chassis, or any modification done on the kit is prohibited. Okay. Na bawal po tayo mag-bend ng screws. Hindi po ito pro stock. Ito po ay back stock. May iba kasi na for back stock ang ginagawa. Gusto pa nila magkaroon ng down thrust. Kumbaga. So, gagawin nila is ito, ipupush pa nila yan pababa. Gagano pa nila yan. Okay? Dahan-dahan or hanggang makuha nila yung down thrust ng screw. So, bawal po yan. Kasi may mga ibang chassis na hindi naman ganun kaganda ang down thrust. Kaya ginagawa. Sinasadya nilang i-bend yung screw pababa. Okay? So, bawal po yan. Okay? Next. Number 13. Damaged or repaired body and chassis are not allowed. In case the car was impounded, example given quarters, and damage has occurred, racers will be given a few minutes to repair or glue the damaged area. After the race, a damaged kit should be retired. So, let's say nasa quarters na kayo, and then naka-impound din yung coach nyo. And then suddenly, let's say yung race before ng quarters, bago kayo manalo sa quarters, and nagkaroon ng damage yung chassis nyo. Example yung sa FMA. Ito pro ng FMA, Mac frame, hindi sure nakita sa Mac frame to, nabibiyak yung dito na part nila. Okay, nagka-crack yan. Mahina kasi ang ano ng FMA, yung harap ng chassis nila sa ganun. What else? Yung gilid ng FMA, yung wing, prone din yan sa crack. So let's say nagkaroon ng crack, hindi pa naman totally putol, pero nakakabit pa rin, pero tanggal na yung kalahati. Okay? Pwede niyo siyang i-glue, mighty band, para matibay. So pwede niyo siyang i-mighty band, tapos tuloy yung race. Okay? Pero kung nasa quarters or naka-impound na yung coach nyo, pwede nyo gawin yun. Then after ng race, hindi nyo na pwedeng gamitin. Okay? Next, number 14. Alkaline and rechargeable batteries can be used. Batteries with tampered wrap or skins are not allowed. So, pwede po tayong gumamit ng alkaline batteries like Eveready, Energizer. Pero, I would suggest na gumamit na kayo ng rechargeable since mapapagastos kayo ng sobra. Okay? And then, next is yung rechargeable batteries nyo. Kapag tulad nito, medyo sira-sira na yung skin o yung balot ng battery, hindi nyo na po siya pwedeng gamitin. Okay? Not allowed po to. So, kailangan yung malinis na wrap. Okay? Ito medyo may konting damage na rin do. So, kailangan maayos na maayos. Okay? So, itinitape pa nito, I'm not sure kung allowed, pero baka hindi allowed. Kasi, for sure, kaya ginagawa na racers to is pasira na rin yung battery, yung skin nila. Okay? So, make sure lang na walang sira yung battery skin natin. Okay? Next, number 15, bring extension cord. So, hindi lahat ng spot sa venue is meron outlet. Okay? So, magkakaroon ng time na kailangan yung makishare ng saksakan. So, I would suggest bring your own extension cord para at least malapit sa inyo yung charger nyo. Okay? And then, also, you can share it with your fellow racers o yung mga katabi nyo. Okay? Next, number 16, bring food. Kung magdala kayo ng pagkain. Mahabang race po to guys. Start at 10 AM, tapos ito usually 8, 9, or stay pa. And kung umabot kayo sa dulo, syempre magugutom kayo. Okay? So, take a break. Okay? Lunch, snacks, breakfast. Make sure loaded kayo para hindi kayo mahina. Okay? Bring a fan or e-fan. Okay? Magkakaroon times na medyo magiging mainit sa venue. Para medyo hindi kayo pawisin. Okay? O hindi kayo ma-exhaust. I would suggest na magdala kayo ng e-fan o yung mga maliit na USB powered na electric fan para at least cool kayo dun sa spot nyo. And then lastly, enjoy the race. Okay? This is the first leg of BY and make sure na makasali kayo and i-enjoy nyo yung race. There are other categories aside from backstock. Meron tayong TRF, X-stock, meron din tayong open class. Okay? Check nyo yung website ni Brickyard sa Facebook para alam nyo kung anong day and anong category yung naka-sign on that day. Okay? So that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. And good luck to all the racers. Sana manalo kayo. Okay? See ya!